Okay.
Nope.
Why not? Have you heard that song?
A long time ago. Nothing? Nope. I'm being a baby. I just said I have a headache right now.
You want some medicine?
No, I'm good. Yeah. My eye hurts though. Because I told you, you hit me in the face. Thanks. That's something I want to hear. I love you.
Oh, lovely.
I thought you were gonna sing.
You're gonna sing.
You're gonna sing.
You're
I
gonna
can't
sing.
sing for crap.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
sing.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Nope.
We look cute.
Mm-hmm.
We're so cute. My hair turned out pretty good today. I like how my bangs look. I like your face. I like your face. Sexy. What's song you want to sing?
Please change this. I'll put ice cream paint out.
Okay. But I don't have it.
D-Lo. D-Lo.
Ow. Whenever I do like the whole library, I never find songs that I like. This song? We kind of look like we match.
So we have big black birds on our shirts.
What is
DTA posse.
it? No, his mom is coming. I know. Jeez.
Turn.
What?
The heck is your problem?
She always comes like right when you get here.
I'm gonna poop on your
It's not
mouth.
fair.
I'm gonna see you.
We
like,
could take you
Saturday.
home. I know, but that's too long.
It's your fault.
Let's see each other Thursday.
You can come over.
Why?
I just told you the reason why, like 2 seconds ago.
Oh, we should play Mario Kart. Darn.
Darn.
Please,
You know what? Son of a gun.
What?
He took it too.
What?
I came over here to see Jackie. Instead, I gave him a treat and he took it.
He can't say, no, Mom.
Don't give me a treat. I said, are you hungry? Let's go feed you.
My mouth doesn't hurt anymore, Mom.
That's because Radley's here.
Probably.
And he makes things feel a lot better for you.
So do dead rats.
No. What is that?
Sticker? Okay, you get the pleasure of peeling it off. Now you made me push it back on you, Nugget.
Just write a message.
Okay. Write it backwards.
What should we write?
Kill like poop. Huh? Are you gonna write it with secret ink? Rock your body.
What should we write?
Come on, rock. Oh, here's your library card.
It's backwards.
Eh.
How come it's not backwards on this? There.
Eh.
So I could write it
There
right
you go. If I don't see you till then,
Why?
until next time. You gotta go run in there.
Okay, bye-bye,
Bye,
Mama.
Mom. Love you. I love you.
She just said she loves you too.
Oh.
Holy crap, this isn't glue anymore.
Ew, it's all crunchy. Oh, hey, this is my ID card.
No, it's
I mean, my librry card.
You want to throw it away?
Yeah,
Okay.
rock your body.
See what else crusty things we can find in here.
Let's just do my playlist. We could sing, What are you doing?
Nothing.
Let's do this one. You don't like it?
I don't know.
Ow. My thighs are pretty fat.
Shut up.
My arms are fat.
Hey. Shut up. That's what the song is.
Excuse me. Wanna do this one? Do you still like that song?
What song is it? I can't see. I got tears in my eyes.
Oh, you like that song, don't you?
What was before that? Hip Hop is Dead? Oh, no, before that one. Oh no.
You know that song. That we should be.
I was singing this last night.
What's my dad? Hello? Hi. I'm just chilling with Radley. Mom just left to go run an errand. Mila's mowing the lawn and Ceci's in the back. Yeah. Guess what we found, Dad? We found like half a dead mouse in the backyard. Like half of it by the swing. Like someone ate, like a bird ate the first top half. Yeah. Yeah, she just left. Uh-huh. Okay. Bye. My dad never tells me he loves me. Say farewell to the dark night. See the coming of the sun. I feel like this does you know that?
Let them know who it is. Check it. Hold the phone like a call on the other line. I'm on the phone with a bone of another kind. So hold on, we could roll to the other side. Side of my dome is a zone you can never find. Grip hands, you might need assistance. Trying to find where you are inside of my head. Stay in line, single file if you can. Then we can kick it like kickstands. And you know I pedal to the chain slip. So fly, propellers propel us to the angels. Repelling the fellas that's jealous of the name hits. Repelling to rappers as soon as I stage hit. So 1 2 1 2 mic check. I'm out for the high end. EQ my steps. I don't use bad grammar, so please excuse this. I'm just trying to let niggas know who I is.
Okay. Goodbye.
Just say hurry up.
Yes.
Take your time. Oh. Bye. Love you.
Love you.
Love you more.
Love you more.
I love you.
Love you more.
I
Love you more.